The online course has the 360 wave unit you're going to learn. You're going to learn the high top unit in the online course. You're going to learn the famous low cut unit in the online course. You're also going to learn a lot of other units about the Superfly unit. You're going to learn how I went underwater, what products to use, what adhesive I use, the Indian Dubai unit, straight hair units in the online course. The Superfly unit is in this online course. The ponytail unit with the 100% human hair is in the online course. The permanent units that last over a year is in the online course. This is the ultimate non-surgical hair replacement online course. Why would you take the online course versus the live course? The proof is in the pudding. Payment plans, save money and time, lifetime access, instant access, watch over and over, access from any electronic device, mentor and coaching, over 1,000 students, business plan, marketing videos, client consultation. I'm on my way home to take the online class.